Hi friends, and welcome again in MALogics with another video in which we solve a simple but confusing math problem, which is 7 divided by 1 over 7 times 7. So can anybody solve this before video goes end? But keep in mind its answer shouldn't be 7. Haha! Let's break this confusion with its solution. Friends, here we have two operations. One is division and second is multiplication. And if you know KCF rule for such type of problem, where we keep the first fraction as it is, so write this 7 as it is, change the sign from division to multiplication. Lastly, flip the second fraction, like that transform this 1 over 7 into simple 7, and this times 7. Okay, now, our next step will be such as 7 times 7 is 49, and this times 7. In our last step, 49 times 7 equals 343. It is our final and correct answer for the problem stated above. Thanks for watching. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned, because my next video is more informative.